Hello guys and welcome to another quick tutorial video, and in this short tutorial video I'll be showing you how to exchange Shiba Inu to Bitcoin. It's quite easy to get this done. Make sure you have an account on Binance. If you don't have an account on Binance, by using our link in the description of the video, you stand a chance to claim 100 USDT worth of trading fee rebates when you register and verify your account. Now, the most important step you have to take is head over to the wallet section where we can locate our Shiba Inu. So on the overview, scroll to the spot of funding, depending on where your Shiba Inu is stored. Once you found the Shiba Inu, click on the home section, click on the convert option or the convert feature. And where we have SHIB, in the place of meme coin, simply select or search for Bitcoin and click on max and then click on preview conversion and simply convert. By doing this, we successfully exchanged our Shiba Inu into the Bitcoin, and you can confirm this by heading over to the wallet section, and where we had the Shiba Inu, we now have Bitcoin. So guys, do comment down below if you have a question and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.